Tomorrow will come, and girl, I can't wait. It's your anniversary, anniversary. The first thing I'll do is run straight to you. It's your anniversary, yeah, anniversary. It's your anniversary, yeah. It's your anniversary. It's your anniversary.
There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Hey, divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now,
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Because it's our anniversary. Yeah, anniversary. Happy anniversary, my first wigs. Y'all, listen, what? It's your anniversary. Now, I don't know. I can't sing that great. You know what I'm saying? I don't have the vocals. That's why I'm not a singer, okay? Because if I could, trust me and let me tell y'all would be at my concert with no problem. Happy anniversary, my first wigs. Girl, what? My first wig's been around for 9 years, okay? What can I say? It's their anniversary. Yeah. Now, look, my vocals ain't that great, but I just had to celebrate, okay? Get in it with me, y'all. Let's all wish my first wigs a happy anniversary. Girl, my lips so dry. We about to rock out in this wig, girl. Y'all know it's hot out there. Girl, I don't know about y'all state, but here in Arizona, it's bloody hot. It's death hot. It's, girl, like, why you looking at me hot? It's like, why you even got that on your head hot? It's like, why you come outside hot? That's how hot it be. It be like 1,000 degrees out here. Like, for real. It be like 125 degrees. And people be like, oh, it's not really hot outside. No, you're right. It's not hot. It's blazing. Honey, it's scorching. Hot and scorching and hell are two different type of heats. Yeah, we stay in the house out here. Well, I don't know about everybody else, but I do. Okay, and girl, listen, there's no need to not look cute because of the heat. All right, we still need to look cute for the summertime. So that's why I brought you this summer loving, have me a blast. We're gonna do this no sweat method. Okay, girl, what? Because I know some of y'all like to put on glue, and girl, let me tell you, okay, it is too hot for anybody's glue. Baby, yes, it's too hot for the glue. Too hot for all of that on your head, girl. The sweat don't mix well with the glue. I'm just saying. I need at least this piece hairspray down. That's it. All it is, without hairspray during the summer heat, perfect, okay? Definitely a must. And when you have my first wig, girl, you definitely in right hands. Now, this wig right here, honey, she is already pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-styled, and pre-approved. And girl, I know I'm missing something. Let's see. Pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-styled, and pre-cut, okay? And pre-approved. When I tell y'all I put this wig on my mannequin head, this wig melted on my damn mannequin's head, okay? My mannequin looked like she had the wig grown out her scalp. I was ready to slap her and say, damn, you look better than me in the wig. This wig, when I tell you she melted, when she came out the package, she melted. Do y'all see this? Look at this. Look at this hair. Look at this hairline. Look at this lace, Swiss tinted lace. Okay, it's a 13x6. Girl, what? Combs, elastic bands, adjustable strap. Girl, pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-styled, and pre-colored. Girl, and pre-approved. What can I say? But we about to slay on my first wig's anniversary day. Okay, yes.
You did that. Yeah, you crossed the line about 1,000 times and I did that. Yeah, I stayed a while, tried to make it right. A cigarette. No, I never smoked, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those feathers in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because. Tell me where we went wrong. started out as homies, ended up as lovers.
All right, y'all, look at this hairline. Girl, y'all see it? Don't act like y'all don't see it. Look at the sides. Look at them out. Like, I ain't gonna hold y'all for too long, but I just had to say something about the hairline. I'm gonna just say a little bit of else something too. So this unit is beautiful. Like, I'm just loving this unit. And y'all know I love my sideburns, okay? I don't have to hairspray the whole entire wig, but I'm a hairspray these sideburns. That's what I'm definitely going to do. I love this wig. I love this color. I love the lace. I love the clean hairline. Girl, I just really love this wig, okay? So make sure you get one. I'm telling you, go and get you one of these. This is, I think, my favorite one of the year 2024 from Myfirstwigs. Like, Myfirstwigs, they are the best of the best of the best of the best of the best. Like, I'm saying, you don't get no less. They the best of the best of the best. And girl, when you get a wig from them, I'm telling you, you know that they the best of the best of the best. Now, the one thing that I will tell you, you don't really need no hairspray. But right here, I did like a little piece of a dot, only because I just wanted the perfect laid down hairline. Okay, that's the only spot I did that extra piece of the extra spritz. Now, you don't have to do nothing if you don't want to. You don't have to put no hairspray at all. But girl, what I will tell you, don't put no glue. It's too damn hot to be putting glue. It's too hot. The glue and the sweat don't mix. So just, you know what I'm saying? Get you Myfirstwigs. Get you some of that Aussie Instant Freeze hairspray that I've been using for years and I've been telling y'all about for the longest. And spritz down your sideburns if you want some sideburns, okay? You don't need no glue with a Myfirstwigs wig, okay? Now here, right here, I'm going to just say this. Be very careful when you are using a hot comb. You don't want to cook your skin, okay? Sometimes I do that, and I wish that I would just use the hot comb on the mannequin, because that's where I really prefer to hot comb. But a hot comb will do you justice. Just be very careful with it. I like to use it to make my hairline a little bit more flatter, you know what I'm saying? And that's what I'm doing right here. I used one of my favorite wax sticks, but you can also get your wax sticks from Myfirstwigs. Now, you know this part right here where you melt it down. I like to hold down my sideburn hairs, and I'm just going to flat iron just a little bit. Nothing major, because it really don't need too much flat iron. Before I do that, I'm going to take my concealer, and you see here, I'm just dabbing on a little bit. Just a little bit. And then what I did is I switched the brush to a clean brush, so that way I could just blend it in. That's what I did. Now the rest is, you know, the rest. We're going to get to styling. I'm going to wear her straight. I'm going to go ahead and flat iron her. Excuse me, hot comb her, and I'm going to flat iron her as well.
How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Or let's be honest, it was just a lover. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, baby? It was just a lover. Really wish you didn't push me away. I was willing to try long as it takes. I would never say we were a mistake, but fleeting romance doesn't a lifetime make that initial blood.
Girl. Now, is this wig cute or what? Like, the only thing I had to do was just part it over just a tad bit for my own liking. Because, you know, I like my part to be, like, in a certain range. That's just me. You can put your part wherever you want. But I just like my part to be in a certain range, girl. But this wig is beautiful. Do y'all see this Yaki texture hair? Girl, nice and flowing. Now, this is supposed to be 18 inches. You know, they be lying at Myfirstwigs. I don't care if it's their anniversary or not. I'm about to just expose them, because they will tell you it's 18 inches. And then when you get it, it look like it's 22. Okay? Like, what the heck? What the heck, Myfirstwigs? Why are you trying to trick us? Okay? Making us think that this is 18 inches. Girl, there's no way that this is a real 18 inches. Now, you try another website and order 18 inches, and please beware. Okay? Be mindful that that 18 inches going to come right here. That's where that 18 inches is going to come at on any other website. But now, you already know the lace is Swiss tinted, okay? Which means that it's invisible. It's not there. You can barely see it. You wish you could find it, so that way you can just cut it or whatever. Girl, listen, my first wigs will definitely have you slayed to the gods, to all the hair and wig gods. I promise you. Do y'all see this hairline? Like, girl, look. Look at this hairline. Look at it. I want y'all to look at it. Girl, this is the type of wig that, listen, this wig is definitely good for older people. Now, I know y'all like, wait a minute. Girl, let me tell y'all. I say this because older people, they don't know how to bleach, or some of them do. I can't speak for all of them. But they just don't want to be doing all of that. They don't want to be putting all that work into a wig. You know what I'm saying? Like your grandma, she used to her old school wigs. So you get her one of these, girl, you're gonna be her favorite grandchild. Like straight up. If you get your grandmother one of these, she is gonna make you her favorite grandchild. No lie. Straight up. Okay? Because I know if one of my grandkids got me one of this, oh, I'm making one of them my favorites for sure. Because this shows that you care about a person. If you give somebody a wig like this shows that you care about them. You care about their mental. You care about their time, they work. You just care about them, okay? I definitely slayed. I really didn't have to do much. You know what I'm saying? It came pre-colored, pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-style, and pre-approved. I just threw in 2 extras, which was pre-colored and pre-style. Which was pre-colored and pre-approved, because I just feel like it's all of that and then some, okay? Go to Myfirstwig's website. Tell them April sent you. Tell them happy anniversary. Let them know that you're here for this unit. She is beautiful. The Yaki texture is there. This is definitely a wig that you can wear in the summertime without putting all that glue on your hairline. If you want to save your skin and your hairline and embarrassment, girl, get you some of that Aussie Instant Freeze hairspray, girl, and get you a Myfirstwig's wig, and I promise you, you will definitely thank me later. You might even think about sending me a gift or two, just because I hooked you up. I'm just saying. So with that being said, Myfirstwigs, happy anniversary. I love y'all to death. It's been a pleasure working with you these 9 years. May we continue on with more ventures in life. And listen, y'all just going to evolve and evolve and evolve. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate you guys including me in this anniversary, because it's your anniversary. Yeah, I'm just saying. Girl, listen. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Make sure y'all check the description box. Make sure y'all thumbs this video up. You know what that means, like it. Okay, make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Check the info. I will see y'all in the next video. I love y'all. Stay diva and divalicious.